Hello and welcome to Heart Handmade Headquarters with me, Claire, and Stinky Poopers. Before we get started, I want to remind you to hit the like and subscribe button. And now to enjoy my lovely new pastel craft room. Being creative is the most important aspect of my life. Having lived with so much confusion about how I wanted to live and what I wanted to do for a living growing up, rediscovering crafts and creativity was just a mind-blowing, life-affirming moment, and it was just pure magic. That's why every single day I need some quality time with my supplies and poopers. Hey poopers! I love to consider crafting as a big part of my self-care routine, and self-care is necessary for absolutely everyone. Being the best version of you is the best gift that you could give yourself and your family. As I said before, my name is Claire, and I am from Heart Handmade UK. It took me a long time to rediscover the world of crafts, and I'm being serious here. I am a country bumpkin from Northern Ireland, and discovering a scrapbooking magazine on a visit to the big city was the turning point. Around the same time that happened, I started suffering from mystery symptoms after a really bad infection. I ended up being pretty much bedbound for a few years. Yeah, years. I've been housebound ever since that time, and I only really leave the house for appointments. My mystery illness ended up being a connective tissue disorder and a seizure disorder, which means that I can dislocate my joints very easily and the seizures make it happen. And that's when I decided to learn a brand new craft skill every year. My continued creativity is down to easy access to my supplies. And before I got this DreamBox, I was using a very large IKEA Kallax unit with boxes. What you need to know though is I get very tired very quickly, so I can grab my supplies, do a bit of crafting, and then I have to tap out. Putting the supplies away is where it gets tricky for me, and I normally end up just jamming them in a box and wondering why I can never find anything. I've never actually been able to organise everything the exact way I would like it due to the wrong types of storage for my budget, but this DreamBox is unbelievable. Just looking at it full of my supplies makes me smile, and that is how your creative haven should be. So my husband actually had to take this apart, take it out of the crate in the driveway, bring it into the house. He loved it. Everything was organised perfectly. All of the appropriate bits and pieces that come with the furniture are just correctly labelled. He's so used to building just regular flat pack furniture that usually makes him swear like a sailor, but this involved zero swearing. He loved, again, the labelling, but he said it was really well built and it was just really sturdy, and he was super impressed. So he gives it a 4.5 stars and I give it a 5-star review. It is not difficult to take the tables up and down and remove those side tables whenever you need to. I absolutely love the amount of space the side tables give you to just spread out all of those fabulous supplies. And then, of course, keeping them organised again is not as difficult as you might think with all of this amazing storage. Not only is the unit itself very sleek and functional, but when the supplies are all in the unit, it is an absolute dream to look at. There's nothing better than having your favourite craft supplies on display so that you can look at them and just feel pure joy. If you want to get a DreamBox of your very own, you can save $100 on your purchase using the code HHMUK at checkout. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this video and keep watching.